Hey everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis. So I've got another, I guess, unboxing video. It kind of feels like it's Christmas time. I guess this is what happens during COVID when you're kind of bored and you spend time looking to see that there's sales and you decide to start buying shit. So here we are. I actually have a couple of videos today because a few items are being delivered. I got one. I don't know if anybody uses Slick Deals. Basically, Slick Deals, I think I mentioned it in some videos before, but it's essentially it's an app or it's a website, and it kind of, people go in and they'll tell you things that are on sale, give you promotion codes so you can get things for a really good deal, and a lot of times it's stuff that you'll want. It's not like some, I don't know, some, well, I guess I can't really say that because they have underwear up there that are on sale, so it's pretty much anything you can think of, but you can get things at a really, really good price. I was actually looking at DJI's website the other, I think it was last week, and they have like the drones and stuff, which my other half was talking about those. I don't know anything about drones, but anyhow. But they actually make gimbals. And I remember we were in the Apple store probably a couple weeks, well, not weeks, months ago, and I saw a really cool thing. You put your phone on it and it was kind of moving around, but it's a gimbal. Essentially, it's really good if you're doing videos and things like that. It keeps the phone level, so no matter how you move, it kind of self-adjusts so that you don't get a bunch of shaking and you have the Blair Witch Project going on. So anyhow, so was on Slick Deals, or he was, and he saw that this was on sale. He let me know, and so I decided to go ahead and order it because I had been looking one in the Apple store, and these can be kind of expensive, but there was a really good bundle. So this is the box, and I think it was kind of a, most of my shopping, at least this most recent shopping, is Mother's Day related stuff, I guess, if you want to put it that way, or Mother's Day related deals. Well, let's get this open. It's a fairly big box, so I'm kind of wondering. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this here. A big fancy white box. Oh, now I understand why it was in the, in such a big box. Oh, this is just, wow. So, the future of possibility. I don't know if you can see that well. Future of possibility. And then, look, how cute is that? It's got a nice white box with a little ribbon. It's got DJI, so it's actually packaged for a gift. So, happy Mother's Day to me. No, I'm just joking. Feels like Christmas though. And also down in here, it came with the site that had this for sale. I probably should have led with this. Was Buydig.com, and I guess they sell technology stuff. I had never really heard of them before, and usually when I see sites that I'm not very familiar with, things like that, I get a little scared. I'm like, is this sketch? Y'all gonna take my credit card number and I'm not gonna get anything, hack my account? Didn't have any of those issues, but this little bundle came with 2 micro SD cards, and they're just 32 gigs, but I think that's kind of cool. Something that'll come in handy. I typically like to go for a larger size. Not really trying to be a size queen, but you know, more space the better, right? So, this is the Osmo 3 is what they call this one, or this particular model. I think it's the most recent one based on what I saw on the site. So I'm going to see what's in this box first. The digital photo frame can only be used with a DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So is this a photo frame? Is that what this is? Oh wow, it is. I didn't even know that it came with this. That is pretty freaking cool. So this came with a digital photo frame. I did not even know that it came with that. I guess I probably wasn't reading any directions or the ad. So, It actually has an 8 gig card in it already. It's got a couple of USB on here. It's got the DC in for the power, some controls. I did not know. So gosh, that makes it an even better value. And then a little remote for it as well. Gosh, this is pretty cool. And then that's the power for it. So that kind of caught me off guard. That is pretty freaking unbelievable. Did not know I was getting that, or maybe it said and I just didn't read it. I was just so overwhelmed by the price of the Osmo 3 that I completely missed that I got a digital photo frame with this. Pretty sweet. Put this back in here. And I have a problem. I love boxes, so it's going to be hard for me to get rid of this box. So here we go. Osmo Mobile 3 combo. So it looks like it's got a stand in there and also has a nice little case to carry everything in. So power cable, Osmo tripod grip, Osmo carrying case, a storage pouch, and a wrist strap. And this is compatible for Android as well as Apple, of course. So I'm going to have to play with this thing because I don't really know how it works. I watched the video that they had and they had it. It was kind of, actually I saw someone, she had it sitting on a table and it was actually following her around and all this kind of crazy stuff. So I don't know if that was movie magic or what, but I'm really excited. And this one doesn't open like the other one, it looks like. Nope. Opens at the top. So meticulous when I open these things, right? Okay. So, I'm assuming the Osmo is in this. And this is a little box. This is probably power cables. Let's start with this one. Okay. I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to break it. Okay, I'll do it that way. So this is the tripod grip, it looks like. Yep. So a little tripod. You can go flat or you can do it like this. You can hold it like that. That's that. And these must be the wrist straps. Yeah, wrist straps and the USB cable that are packed in here extremely tight. Just super. Love some good packaging, some good tight packaging so you don't have to worry about yourself. So yeah, wrist strap, cable. I know you guys are laughing at me. Okay, there we go. And this is the case. The carrying case, that's what this is. Yep. So, got Osmo on it, nice little smooth, velvety feeling thing. So there's that. And now the piece de resistance, the Osmo itself. Oh, now this is a really nice, kind of hard case. It's kind of one of those hybrid cases. So that's really, really nice. And honestly, it should be nice. It should feel like it's quality. This thing costs anywhere from between $100 to $130. So I would expect it to feel premium, and it does. I'm not disappointed at all. So I don't really understand why there's this case. I guess if you want a softer case. Because I wouldn't carry it in this. I would carry it in this thing, so I don't have to worry about anything happening to it if I drop it or something. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. So, this is what it looks like in the packaging. And it's got a nice weight to it. I cannot wait to play with this thing. So, it's got some instructions up here. Activate the Osmo Mobile 3 when using it for the first time by following the steps in the DJI Mimo app. So I'm actually not going to mess around with it too much until I actually set it up, because this has some electronics that can move. I don't want to pry it or something and have the thing break, but that's what it looks like. It's got some manual controls on there. Looks like that's to control the camera, that's the power, and I think this moves it around. And over here, looks like that's the charging port. It's USB. And that's pretty much it. And it's got a tilt and a wide. I guess it's what that T and W stands for on the side. So that's pretty much it for right now. I actually have to play with it, and that will probably take too long to set it up in this video. But I just want you guys to see me unboxing it. So this is one of a few packages, so there'll be a couple more videos. As always, thank you for tuning in. Do not forget to hit subscribe below before you leave my channel. I appreciate it. Share it with your friends and comment below. You guys rock. Universe Jarvis out.